Welcome to part 36, Tab CSS. So here's the CSS for the tabs, and this piece right here controls each individual tab. So in our dashboard.py file, we use the single -tab class for all those individual tabs. So one thing that's unfortunate is that after we resize our browser, Dash does not automatically center the text within the tab. So we're going to do it manually, and we're going to use a flexbox to do it. So this is going to be a flexbox with a single item in it, so that's a little rare. You usually use flexbox when you have multiple items, but flexbox makes it easy to center things both vertically and horizontally, so it's a good choice for us here. So we're going to change the display to flex, and we're going to override whatever Bootstrap has by using this exclamation mark important here. We're going to center it horizontally using justify content. We're going to center it vertically with align items. Then we're going to give it our background color for the tab, and this will override whatever Bootstrap has. And then we're going to give it a text color or common text color throughout our dashboard, and the height of each tab will be 40 pixels. Now when the tab is selected and you're able to provide this class also in dashboard.py, we're going to make the color white and the font size a little bit larger. So CSS, you don't have to give it just pixels for units. You can actually use relative terms such as smaller, larger, extra large, extra large, extra small, and so forth. So there's different ways to size items, and this is comparative to the default font size of the page. So let's go ahead and take a look at these tabs over here. So the one that is selected will be in white, and we have two sets of tabs. The one that's not selected will be in the normal grayish blue text color. It'll be a little bit larger, the font. And then when we click over here, you can see now US States becomes larger and the text turns white. And then back over here, the other one turns back to the normal color. All right, so there's a couple other things we're going to do is we're just going to round the outsides of the tabs over here. So we're going to select particular tabs. We want to make sure we only round the left tabs and not each tab, or else we'll have just curves all over the place. So each one of these we could have rounded, but then it would leave some space over here. So it looks better if we just round like this left side, this right side, and that right side. So that's what this code is doing over here, just rounding the specific tabs.